important thing is understanding, right? Common sense, understanding, right? And trying to being able to express your problems, right? To solve your problem. That's the most important thing, right? Not the language. Okay, all right. Like I said, when I was in college and I walked into a class and the guy was Russian. What do I care? He was Russian, right? But you know what? He was teaching me things, right? I don't care. I didn't understand half of what he was saying, but you know what? Everything that he was putting on the board made sense to me. And I was just swallowing everything that he was everything that he was putting on the board. Well, it's just a matter of speaking. Right?
You speak on his accent too?
I have German teachers, Chinese teachers, Asian teachers, right? They didn't speak. No, I didn't have to start to do that. Because I was too busy writing. Okay. I said when I was in school, I didn't have the time. First of all, I didn't know very much English when I came here. And I was in college. I didn't have the time to teach my teachers or to do anything. Or I was too busy concentrating on what they were saying because I didn't know very much English. I'm just telling you the hard facts. Those are the hard facts. When I came here, I didn't know much English. I was sitting in the class, right? And I had to try to make some of the students. I didn't have the time to be playing around or joking around. I wasn't perfect. I'm just telling you that my focus was on what the teacher was saying, what he was writing, right? Trying to connect what he was saying with what's on the board. You know what I'm saying? And that's what you're going to have to do.
No, I'm trying to do, but it's for me.
Yes?
I'm good.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 7. If you add 3/4 of a number to the number itself, right? If you add 3/4 of a number to the number itself, right? We did? All right.
What?
So if the number is x, right? So what it says is what? Take the number x and add to that what? Add 3/4 of the number. Add 3/4 of x to x, and then what?
Oh.
The answer should be what? The answer should be 42, right? If you add 3/4 of a number to the number, okay? So let the number be x, right? Let the number be x. Alright? Let the number be x. So if the number is x, and you add 3/4 of the number to the number, then you should get 42. So now how do you solve this? You times everything by 4, right? Yes?
No.
Or whatever you want. A number plus 3/4 of a number, that's going to be 1.75. But multiply everything by 4, right? Multiply everything by 4. So the 4 is going to cancel out over here. So that becomes 4x plus 3x. That will be 7x is equal to 4 times 42, which is what? 100 and what? 168.
That's what you doing.
And then what? Divide by 7, divide by 7. So x is equal to 2, 4, right? 24. Is that what we got? Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay? We're getting something done. Finally. Finally.
Oh
my God. The year is coming to an end.
I like Darius.
We all be going home. Enjoy the vacation. Yeah.
He's the man who be driving the tram.
I just know what
music.
Okay, the sum of 3 consecutive, we did that already, right? The sum of 3 consecutive number is what? Is 138. Now we say that what? If the number is what? If the first number is x, right? Then what? The next even number will be what? X plus 2. The next even number will be x plus 2. The next one will be x plus 4. If you add everything, so that'll be 3x plus 8, and that should be equal to what? 138. Which means that what? Which means that 3x must be equal to 130, right?
We're doing number 8.
Both sides, we did that already. And X should be equal
Number
to
8.
what? What is X?
44.
44?
44 on that.
What?
44.
It cannot be 44.
You did something wrong, so it's 44.
It is 44.
44?
Yeah, it is 44.
How is it 44?
We already did that one.
We already did that
And
one.
we did the next one. And we did the one after that. We're on number 11.
Oh, you give us
No. Why is that?
Hey, Mr. Blot, it's that 1 for 6.
What?
Not 8. 4 plus 2 is 6, not 8.
4 plus 2 is 6?
You said 8.
Ah, well.
Oh.
Well, you know, I know that. But you see, I know something is wrong, right? Because it can't be. So this should be what? 132. Now that makes sense, right? Okay, that'll be what? 4, and then what? 44. All right. Next one.